Hi, Wayne White here. I'm a watercolor artist, and today I'm going to show you how to paint a sunset. This is a picture my grandson took while on a fishing trip in Juneau, out of Juneau, Alaska. Do you know the name of this? Juneau, and it's a popular fishing location. So I'm not familiar with painting sunsets, but I've been practicing a bit. So I'm going to start off, and as usual, start off by wetting the back of my paper. This paper, by the way, is 40-pound Arches cold press. Quinacridone gold, ultramarine blue, and I'm going to paint right over the sun, because I seldom do this, but in this case I find it's necessary, because when the sun is setting, it's pretty white. So I'm going to use an opaque white to put that in. A light red. Plenty of water. And now let's come down with the ultramarine blue. Let those colors come down and bleed together. Put a touch of burnt sienna in here, so you get an idea that this is barren hill back there. I'm going to use the edge of my brush, because I'm going to put in the tops of these pine trees back there. I'm going to darken this grove of trees, and I've taken Payne's Gray, and I'm going to add this dark color to the trees. I'm just putting in the ripples in the water. A brush here, I'm going to Hi, Wayne White Watercolors back again. I just want to complete this this painting I'm doing. It's a scene out of Juneau, Alaska. My grandson took, and I'm just about finished. The sun is setting, and so right now I'm going to put in the setting sun. It depends on the painting. This time to use an opaque white to put in the sun. There's the sun, and then there's the reflection. It picks up this nice reflection on the water down here. Needed to do. Now I just have to wait that white paint to dry. Okay, here's the finished product. A sunset, a bay out of Juneau, Alaska, July of this year. Until next time, so long.